Come make this beautiful Christmas flower ornament with me. It's perfect for decorating your tree. You will need satin squares in 3 different sizes. These are 8, 6 and 4 centimeters. You will need 7 pieces of each size. First, I take the smallest one, 4 centimeters, and I grab the corner like this, fold it in half, grab it with my tweezers, fold it in half again, grab this corner, flip it over. I put my thumb right here and fold it like this for the last time. I have this little tiny petal and I clip it so it stays nicely in place like this. And I do exactly the same with these 2 sizes. So I take 6 centimeter square, I fold it in half, fold again, flip it, and fold it for the last time. And I now take the smaller piece and I put it right inside this bigger piece and clip both pieces like this. Now I take the biggest piece and do exactly the same. Fold it like this. And insert both petals to the biggest one. I take it with my tweezers like this. I cut the edge. I carefully seal the edge with a lighter so it doesn't fray. And I squeeze it like this. And I also cut the long edge. I grab it like this. And I also seal the edges. Okay, 1 petal is done and we need 6 more, so it will be 7 petals a total. I will show it again. Okay, I have all 7 petals and now I cut a piece of thread in a matching color, just a little bit of thread. I thread a needle and I sew the petals together like this. And now I make a knot. Now I cut the tails. Then I flip it over and I put a little bit of glue in the middle and add some little sparkling bead. Just like that. Cute. Now I flip it over again and I take a metal finding. I'm using a combination of a hair clip and a brush pin, but the important part is that there's some kind of a clip attached. I put a glue right here and I glue it down and let it dry. And here we are, all done. Look how cute it's turned out. I honestly can't stop staring at it. It's such a simple project, but it looks so festive and magical on a Christmas tree. If you give this one a try, I'd love to see your version, so don't forget to tag me. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe for more Christmas crafts and DIY ideas coming your way. And don't be afraid to experiment with colors, because these ornaments look absolutely beautiful in any color.